Shut up, I haven't even bitten you yet.
Although Michael Winslow may look like yet another of the thousands of weird people who roam around New York, he is in fact one of the hottest new names in American show business. That's all because Michael possesses some pretty extraordinary vocal talents.
Average helicopter.
Using just a microphone, a simple foot-operated delay system, and a small amplifier, Michael has been able to dazzle audiences with his vocal gymnastics. Michael developed his talent at an early age, when, as a child on an Air Force base, he got bored and began to imitate the noise of aircraft and machinery around him.
Every person's physique is designed for specific sound effects. For anyone to say that they couldn't do anything is just a very cop-out, defeatist attitude. Anyone can make certain sounds.
His ability to mimic the late rock performer Jimi Hendrix is quite staggering.
Y'all mind if I do some music? Yeah, I'm gonna make it too loud, you know, it's just, let me get this straight here. So I'm gonna do a little music, rain all day, make my house in Malibu slide away. Dude, you know.
Michael's range of vocal talents have now catapulted him to stardom, recently landing him a part in an enormously popular American comedy film called Police Academy, soon to be released in Britain.
What are you in for?
I'll show you.
Oh, no, sir, no, not you.
That's terrific, really.
Despite the glamour of his newfound stardom, Michael is quite happy to be out roaming the streets. In Los Angeles, which is his home, his vocal talents have often come to the aid of the local street break dancers.
One time when their cassette music screwed up, they needed somebody to put some rhythm, and there was just no records or nothing. So I said, no problem, guys, let me do it. So I would go.
Break, break. Break, break.
That is wonderful. That's incredible. Don't you really drive your next-door neighbors crazy? Don't they object to all these noises?
Every day. I love those people when they go,
Will you shut up, you idiot?
I love it. And I say, I love you too.